And so this is an unboxing, and I'm actually not even sure what it is, but I got this lovely box in the mail, and let's explore it together. So let's take the ribbon off, open it up. Oh, and it says, this looks like a scientific mystery series. Oh, this is so cool. So it's called the Acadia Files, Book 2 Autumn Science, and it's from Tilbury House. And look what's inside. Got some acorns and some little pine cones and some embroidery thread and some like fabric maple leaves. And the box has lovely packing material in a color coordinated shade. Oh, and then this is the book, the Acadia Files, and it looks kind of like a like a lab notebook, you know, or like a sketchbook. And I like the illustrations. And the author is Coppens, and illustrated design by Hatan. And definitely has a STEM feeling here with these hexagons. And she's got a magnifying glass, and looks like it's a chapter book. I'm thinking early chapter book series. So it looks like it's a story with sort of built-in experiments. And here's a card that I don't know if it comes in every book or just in this package. You can do an activity. And I think that's it. Oh wait, no, there's more. There's more. This is a leaf identification set. So I think this might just be specific to this box that I got. Oh, and we have many of these shapes of trees because I live in New England. I got maple, red oak, elm. We have spruce. We have birch. I have birch in my yard actually. Pine, we have that. White oak, we have lots of those. Aspen. I'm not sure if we have aspen. I feel like we do, but I haven't seen it. Elm. I think we have elm. Wow, this looks fun. So I'm guessing that you don't need these sort of extra things, but it just makes the book even easier to do the activities. But I'm guessing also that all of these cards and information, I bet it resides on a website associated with the author or just the book series. But I will put all of that in the description box below. And wow, this looks great. STEM series. Looks like it caters to girls, but I bet it is unisex.